Confidence in supply opposition. The Assembly of the Republic of Kosovo, the legislative institution of the Republic of Kosovo that is directly elected by the people every 4 years. It was originally established by the United Nations Interim Administration Mission in Kosovo in 2001 to provide provisional democratic self-government. On February 17, 2008, representatives of the people of Kosovo unilaterally declared Kosovo's independence and subsequently adopted the Constitution of Kosovo, which came into effect on 15 June 2008. The Assembly of the Republic of Kosovo is regulated by the Constitution of Kosovo and has 120 directly elected members. 20 are reserved for national minorities as follows. Albanian is the official language of the majority, but all languages of minorities such as Serbian, Turkish and Bosnian are used, with simultaneous interpretation. The Kosovo Assembly has 19 committees. Coordinates: 42 degrees 39 minutes 53 seconds north, 21 degrees 09, 51. A, 42.66472 degrees north, 21.16417 degrees east, 42.66472. 21.16417.